Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm replacing the hood to cowl seal on my 73 Cuda. So if you've got an e-body, Cuda or Challenger and you're looking to replace the seal, this video might help you. So I've had the car on the road for a few years now, so 6 or 7 years, and this is the one that we restored it with. So it's an OER brand. I found out recently that it was actually installed incorrectly. So the open edge was facing towards the windscreen, which it should be facing towards the front of the car. And I thought, you know, it wasn't sealing very well, obviously because of that reason, but also it had like, it was very soft. So I thought, you know what, while I replace it, I'll see what else is out there. And I came across this one from Detroit Muscle Technologies, and yeah, it looks pretty good. Comes with all the stainless clips already on it, and I'll show you the difference. So, I don't know if you can see, but the walls on it are a lot thicker in the Detroit one. I don't know if you can see there. And the ridge, it's got a ridge going along the top of it there, so it actually will hold up the mold better if you compare it to that one. Look how much that comes down. Like, granted, it is a bit older, but still it's a big difference there. But yeah, so basically just clip it in, straight in, and it should be easy done. So let's go. So these clips here, they mount straight into the cowl. There's holes along the top of it there, and these prongs just clip straight in, and it should just seat in there pretty easily. Alright guys, so that's it, easy done, much better, and yeah, you can clearly see the difference. So hopefully that helps you, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.